What up, guys? Your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. So today we got another product. We bring on you another product from bkdexhaust.com. You know what I'm saying? You can go to bkdexhaust.com and get yourself whatever I'm about to show you, or some of the other stuff you got on there. You know what I'm saying? Today, something nice and easy, quick mod. You know what I'm saying? One thing you might want to change one day is your hood. Your hood, you know what I'm saying? You might want to change your hood. So what my man BKD Exhaust is bringing us, he's bringing us the carbon fiber looking hood. You know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of you people may know you might not know how carbon fiber is made. Carbon fiber takes a lot of work to make. You know what I'm saying? What you got to do is you got to lay a carbon fiber down, then you got to put like this epoxy stuff on there, then lay another coat down, and you got to layer it up. Lots of layers. It takes a long time to make carbon fiber. That's not how this is made. This right here, it's a fake, it's a replica, you know what I'm saying? It looks like carbon fiber, not real carbon fiber, so don't be confused, but it's actually awesome looking, you know what I'm saying? Look at the shine on, look at the shine on that, you know what I'm saying? And for the price that you can get this, you know what I'm saying? Why wouldn't you want to buy one? You know what I'm saying? You could change it up, have your regular hood. You see me right here, right now. We got the wrap on your King Joffy Joe 413, but maybe tomorrow I want to go carbon fiber. You never know, you know what I'm saying? You never know, you know what I'm saying? The Epic Hood, you can see, it's the Epic Hood because the slots are different. This one has the 5 different slots. This one only has the 3 slots. If you purchase the Epic Hood from Can-Am, they're running for about $200. This is like almost half the price, you know what I'm saying? Like half the price, can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hood, well, when you, hood panels are things you can change all the time on the regular, so might as well get yourself one, all right? bkdexhaust.com. But if you don't want to go there, you can go to kingjoffyjoe413.com, get yourself some merch. We got hats, we got shirts, we got keychains. You know what I'm saying? Hit us up, let us know what you want. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install your Brannon King carbon fiber looking hood. You know what I'm saying? So let's set this down right here. So what you gotta do is, if you come to the sides here, there's gonna be 2 little clips. Actually, let me show you on the hood here so you can see what I'm showing you where I put my finger. There's gonna be these 2 little clips here. And what you're gonna do is pull these up, push this up, right here. So you're gonna stick your finger underneath through the hole, and you're gonna see these right here, and you're gonna pop those up. That's how you're gonna get the hood up. So you're gonna grab it right here, stick your finger under each side, same time, pull a little clip up, bam, hood's gonna slide right off. Some people, you may have accessory light. If you have an accessory light on here, you just have to unplug that before you pull your hood all the way off. But super easy, super simple to take the hood off. These little things right here on the top, they actually line up right on the top when you're putting the hood on. So now you're wondering, like I just mentioned, that you might have the accessory light. If you do have the accessory light, this does have the spots that you're gonna have to drill the holes to put your accessory light back on if you want to put it on this hood. And if you have one of those panels that go here, it does have the spot to drill the holes to put those panels as well. So you know what I'm saying? It's just like the factory hood, just a lot more shinier. You know what I'm saying? Just a lot more shinier, nice looking. You see what I did? Threw the King Joffy Joe 413 logo emblem on here. It don't come with the hood, so when you get yours and you order yours, and you're like, yo, Brandon, I don't got a King Joffy Joe emblem on here. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, don't come with that. But you could get one of those. We could get you one of those if you really want one. So, super easy install. What you gotta do is, you're gonna line these top pieces up right here. We're gonna slide those right in the top. Once you get those slides up on the top, you're gonna make sure the bottom on both sides is lined up with the slot right here. See these slots right here? That's where the bottom of this piece is gonna go right into there, into both sides. So you're gonna sit on there nice and easy. Make sure those bottoms in there and slide it back. You hear a little click. What I always like to do after I get it in there, give it a little pull, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to be driving down the street and your hood fly off, especially if you got something like this, because once it hits the ground, it's not gonna be shiny no more. Super easy install, guys, super easy install. Look at that, look at that. Look how that look on there. It looks real nice with the bike, don't it, huh? Even with the wrap, it still look good, you know what I'm saying? We got the mural on the top, so, you know what I'm saying? It just goes real good with it. Even though it's not the wrap, it still go good, look at it. Any color your bike y'all got, I think this hood is gonna go get with it. So I'm thinking you should go online, bkdexhaust.com, grab yourself one, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Why not? All right, guys. So I guess that's it. I really can't drag this one on for too much longer. So to the next time, guys. Peace.